welcome to the Nihaans world. In this video, we will learn all about Bengaluru. Are you ready? Let's start. Bengaluru is the capital of Karnataka. It was earlier known as Bangalore. It has grown rapidly to become the third largest city of India, larger even than Chennai and Kolkata. Among Indian cities with a population of more than 1 million, Bengaluru has emerged as the best city on ease of living parameters among 49 million plus cities in 2020. Bengaluru is now one of the fastest growing cities globally. And it's not just us who are saying this. Forbes magazine believes so too. Bengaluru is known as the Garden City with its many trees and beautiful parks such as Lal Bagh and Cubbon Park. Mantri Pinnacle is currently the tallest building in the city. It is 502 feet tall and has 46 floors. Bengaluru enjoys a moderate climate throughout the year. The places of tourist interest include the Vidhana Saudha, Lal Bagh, the Government Museum and the Tipu Sultan's Palace. Bengaluru is called the Silicon Valley of India for a reason. There are over 212 IT companies in Bengaluru. It was where big boys like Infosys, Wipro and TCS were born, and not to forget the star startups in Bengaluru like Swiggy, Flipkart, Myntra, which we all have the city to be thankful for. The other industries in Bengaluru include the textile and electronic goods industry. Bengaluru is home to many aerospace organizations such as Hindustan Aeronautics Limited and National Aerospace Laboratories. Many educational and research institutions like Indian Institute of Science, Indian Institute of Management and Christ University are located in Bengaluru. Bengaluru is famous for its silk sarees, rosewood and sandalwood items. Most of the people here speak Kannada. Tamil, Urdu, Hindi and English are also spoken. The major festivals celebrated are Ugadi, Diwali, Dashera and Makar Sankranti. Bangalore Karaga is one of the oldest festivals celebrated in Bengaluru. Ganesh Chaturthi, Eid and Christmas are also celebrated. Kempegowda Airport is the third busiest airport by passenger traffic and total cargo handled in the country. The airport is connected to 82 destinations, including 25 international cities, by 36 airlines. It handled around 11 million passengers in the calendar year 2020 with 311 aircraft movements a day. I hope you have enjoyed the video. I am Nihaan. Thank you for watching Nihaan's World. I'll see you in next videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on my next videos. Goodbye till next time.